is Amelia, and I'm a senior from Golden, Colorado, and today I wanted to teach you a little bit about material jetting 3D printing. And this is only one of many different types of 3D printing, but this type of 3D printing uses a liquid resin that is cured very quickly after it's dispensed in these very small droplets using a UV laser. And there's a couple advantages to this. One of them is actually this t-shirt that I'm wearing, which I 3D printed this logo onto using this exact machine yesterday. And here's some other examples of 3D printing on fabric. These are actually my classmates' handwriting that I 3D printed directly on. And this is also some braille that my classmate 3D printed on here, custom for herself. But just outside of 3D printing on things, they can also do traditional things. So these material jetting printers are really great for things like high detail parts and multicolor parts, like for example this helmet or this shoe. But this is a great example of something that's used in the actual real world. These models were actually from NIH's website, and I will link that below. And this one is of a stroke patient that was actually from a CT scan. And this is of a cardiac disease patient. So these models are used in actual hospitals by surgeons to visualize different parts of the body, but outside of biomed, there are also some other uses. So this model is actually a Qing Dynasty vase from the Smithsonian, which I will also link below. And you can see the high detail, the very smooth resolution to this part. And this banana was 3D scanned directly, so you can still see the barcode from the sticker on here. And it also has great advantages in the way that it can print things. So these bearings were actually printed as is, and they move. And that's a great thing about 3D printing that not any other machining type can do, is that it can print in print assemblies with moving parts. And lastly, here's some more examples of just some things that I have printed. So this is a great example of high color pieces, and this is an example of someone that we actually 3D scanned and printed on this printer. And this baseball I also 3D scanned, and you can see the high detail of the text that actually transferred. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something about 3D printing in a more non-traditional way and some of the advantages to it. And I hope you can take this with you, and maybe you'll see a part in the doctor's office or maybe just on the street. Thank you.